Dave, Super Dave's How To. We're going to be selling a Samsung Galaxy S3 with a cracked screen. It stays on the startup screen. It will not go off, so it's not functional. Let's see what they'll give us.
Hi there, I'm Eco. Here are a few things to check before we start. First, turn on your device and make sure you keep it unlocked so I can get you the best price. Next, make sure you have your photo ID with you. I'll need to check it later if you decide to sell your device. Finally, just tap me anytime you need help. You can usually find me on the left side of the screen. If you're all set, just tap, "Okay, I'm ready," and I'll get to work. Please tap the type of device you'd like to sell. If you have more than one, well, tap the carrier that your device was in. Please tell me the condition of your device. Tap the condition to see a more detailed description. Tap the cable type that connects to your device. Now let's get your device ready for your eco appraisal. I'm printing out a label that will help me keep track of your device. Please place it on the back of your device in the center, and then tap if it's attached. I'll take your label trash. Just put it in the trash slot near the lower left of the screen. Tell me about your device so I know what to do next. And if your device powers on, okay, here comes the fun part. I'm opening my test compartment where I'll do your eco appraisal. Please place your device in my testing compartment. Make sure your device is face up, and if it will power up, go ahead and turn it on now. Great work. Now just tap the closed door, and I'll begin your eco appraisal. And don't worry, you can still get your device back if you change your mind later. And we're off. I'm currently evaluating your device to determine the model, memory size, features, and condition. I work fast, so this won't take long. One out of every 3 cell phone users has a cracked or broken screen. Did you know? Of the folks who have broken their phones while watching sports, 12% threw them in a fit of passion, while 13% dropped them into their beers. One-third of Android phone users don't use a lock screen passcode. Unfortunately, I can't offer you cash for your device, but if you want, I'm still happy to recycle it responsibly.
Yes, we're going to go ahead and recycle it.
Awesome! Everybody wins when you decide to help the planet and keep your devices out of a landfill. Now I'll check your photo ID to make sure you are 18 or older and to verify your identity. Insert your state-issued ID in the slot to the left as pictured on screen, but please don't use paper. It will jam in my reader.
Will this ID work?
Thank you. I'm checking your ID now. This won't take long. Our brand new phones Okay, we're all set. Go ahead and put your ID back in your wallet, and we'll move on to the second part of your identity. I'm sorry, but I can only accept a government-issued photo ID, like a state-issued driver's license or a state photo ID card.
Okay. Try again.
Now I'll check your photo ID to make sure. Thank you. I'm checking your ID now. This won't take long. Okay, we're all set. To finish your identity check, I need you to take a quick photo. I'll use it to make sure your ID belongs to you. So please remove any hats or sunglasses.
Thank you.
Touching your face and looking good. Now we just need to finalize a few things, and you'll be all set. It's time for the fine print. Please take a minute to review the ecoatm terms and conditions and privacy policy.
Sure. I agree.
If you have any more devices to sell, we can do that now. Just tap Add.
Oh, thanks.
This is your last chance. You will not be paid for recycling this device, and you won't be able to get your phone back from the kiosk after this. If you'd like an email receipt, just tap Enter Email. I'll ask for your email address in the